Die Kanadese popsensasie Justin Bieber tree in Mei volgende jaar in Suid-Afrika op en Bieberkoors het die land behoorlik op hol. Kaartjies vir die Johannesburgse konsert was binne ure uitverkoop en op 11 Desember het Kaapenaars op kaartjiekiosks toegesak. Die burger was op die toneel.
Standing here for your children, are you?
Yes.
Not for yourself?
Yeah, only for the children.
And why are you doing that? Is that for the love of the children or for the love of Justin Bieber?
They're really big fans of Justin Bieber. So
Will you consider going to the concert yourself?
no, not at all. It's only for the kids.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
So you're obviously going with them.
Of course, I think I'm more excited than the girls.
So you're not just going to chaperone, you're going because you want to watch.
I'm going to see Justin Bieber.
What is it about his music that you like?
Oh, it's trendy, it's sweet. I think it's beautiful.
Van hoe laat is julle al vanoggend hier?
So 8:45.
Ja, ja.
I've been here since 6:20.
Van hoe laat is jy al vanoggend hier vir Justin Bieber?
Van 6 uur af.
6 ure. Jy is obviously 'n baie groot Justin Bieber fan.
Definitief, ja.
Sê my, vir hoeveel mense bespreek jy kaartjies?
Beste vriend, vir my my twee beste vriendinne. Kids.
En vir jou?
Work for us. Yeah, no, it's going because they need a guardian.
Oh my lord. If I may ask, how much is the tickets?
These 315 each.
Guys, you got a lot of tickets there? Why?
Because we've got our friends that are coming from Namibia.
En luister hulle graag na Justin Bieber? Het hulle CD's, posters van Justin Bieber?
Hulle het CD's van Justin Bieber. So hulle ken sy musiek, ek ken dit nie so goed nie.
Ik kan je ticket verstaan. Ik heb hier in Philippe gaan bij Pink Concert. En hulle het nog nie tickets nie.
Is die kaartjies uitverkoop?
Hulle sê is uitverkoop. Het uitverkoop van al. Ons is 'n bietjie disappointed.
How disappointed are you? Really looking forward to seeing Justin Bieber.